Hello, good day. Today I will be teaching you how to remove password in Windows 10. Before we start the video, click the subscribe button and click the bell button to be notified on my next videos. First, press the window button combined with the letter R. Run will appear. Type NetBeans. Click OK. User accounts will appear. Uncheck the checkbox. Click Apply. Put your password that you are using when logging in the Windows. Repeat the password. Click OK. When you are finished, close all the programs on your computer. Then restart your computer. You will see when you restart your computer you won't be needing to type your Windows password. It will automatically log into the Windows. Thank you for watching the video. Please give some thumbs up on the video if it helps you on your problem. That's all, guys.